Hello traders, welcome to this video on the Volatility Pivot Indicator for MT4 and MT5. This tool plots volatility-based pivot levels on your charts so you can see where price is finding dynamic support, resistance, and potential turning points relative to current volatility. At this point, I'll load the indicator on the chart so you can see how it looks in real time. Remember, I want to allow the LL imports. And there we go. If you look closely, you can see it's installed on the chart. The volatility pivot indicator draws a set of horizontal lines that bend and move along with price, as you can see. On the main chart, like I said before, it adjusts to its price volatility. Alright. When price approaches or reacts around these pivots on the chart, it usually marks zones where the market may be stretching away from its recent equilibrium or snapping back to it. So we see it basically follows the price movement. It looks sort of like a moving average, except for the fact that it has sharp edges and moves sharply with price. As you can see over here, this uptrend. And then this consolidation phase, it just moved in a straight line. So it sort of like smooths out price action for you to see on the charts. Then as for the settings, let's take a look at the inputs available. So we have the ATR range, the IMA range, the ATR factor, modes, and delta price. Alright. You can also set your preferred color for the line following the price action so it stands out properly with your MT4 chart team. And then you can trade your preferred time frames as well. So who is it for? The volatility pivot indicator is suited to traders who want volatility sensitive support and resistance levels rather than fixed or purely price based lines. It does not predict direction on its own, and like any pivot style tool, can mark levels that price moves straight through in strong trends or news driven conditions, so it should be combined with other technical tools and disciplined risk management. Alright, download links for both MT4 and MT5 are in the description below. You can read more about the volatility pivot indicator, including parameter notes and example charts, at the Forex Geek. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss future educational videos.